Harper County, Kansas last night. Watch this.
Look at the house.
Where's your stuff?
The house is coming apart.
Tonight there is still more threat of severe weather. Now let's take a look at where the biggest danger areas are right now. And again, you can see these tornado watches.
And they extend from the central parts of Louisiana all the way back deep in the heart of Texas.
The forecast for your area. Expect fair skies Saturday through Monday with temperatures in the 60s on Saturday.
How does a small grass fire rage into an inferno? Tonight at 8 on Storm Stories, hot, dry brush fuels a huge firestorm. Residents try to escape, but quickly find themselves trapped by the flames. Can everyone get out alive? Find out tonight on Storm Stories at 8 Eastern and Pacific, right here on the Weather Channel.
Hello, it is 50 minutes after the hour. This is Storm Watch. I'm Vivian Brown.
And I'm Jeff Morrow. For another night, the threat of severe weather very real, particularly in the southern plains, parts of the Mississippi Valley. Here you can see the severe weather watches that are out currently, all the red shaded areas from Louisiana back into Texas, including the San Antonio and Abilene areas. Those are tornado watches, meaning conditions are favorable for possible tornado development. And farther north, we have a severe thunderstorm watch into parts of Oklahoma.
Well, let's turn now to our severe weather expert, Dr. Greg Forbes. Dr. Forbes?
And these thunderstorms continue to roll very slowly toward the east. About 2 hours away now from the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We'll have to continue to monitor their progress eastward. Here you see a big semicircle of thunderstorms. Really, it's pushed east of Shreveport. Right now, Lake Charles, you're under severe thunderstorm warnings. It's passed south of Houston, and now it's down to the southeast of San Antonio. And then another line of thunderstorms have pushed east now of this stationary front. Some of the most unstable air of the year are pushing up toward the northwest off the Gulf of Mexico. Let's take a look at some of these strongest storms. Starting down to the southwest of the Houston area, down southeast of San Antonio. And some of the pretty strong storms down in this area, Wilson and Gonzales counties, you have some of the strongest storms. They're moving pretty slowly. All of these storms capable of producing hail and very heavy rainfalls. Then as we head up, we have areas southeast of San Antonio, northwest Gillespie County, Coleman County, and then up toward the Abilene area. Severe thunderstorm warnings there. And a tornado warning, in fact, for Abilene County. This little circulation just down to the southwest of Abilene. Funnel clouds been sighted near the about 14 miles southwest of Abilene. Buffalo Gap, Tuscola, Potosi, tornado warning there. This line of thunderstorms extends up to the area now up to the northwest of Dallas, Jack County, Young County. Here you have some of the strongest thunderstorms. Some of this area around Dallas, though, was a little bit rain-cooled and cloud-cooled from some of the thunderstorms overnight, so these storms may weaken a little bit before they move into the area. Let's switch sources, and we'll see actually the past 24 hours. You'll see last night's severe thunderstorm activity flare up in these areas. And then overnight, cluster of thunderstorms fires up around College Station. Initially, it moved north toward Dallas, gave some clouds. Now that's the remnants as it's produced some cold air outflow. Big bow-shaped cluster of thunderstorms that are pushing east past Shreveport and down past the Houston area. So very complicated severe weather scenario today. It's a slow-moving day. Winds aloft are not extremely strong, so the storms are moving slowly. Very heavy rains, flash flooding a problem, including in the Houston area, down around Lake Charles too. Big hail in a number of places, all those thunderstorms we were mentioning. Some tornadoes as well. We've had a lot of tornado warnings. With the weaker winds aloft, not a tremendous severe wind threat. Most of the severe weather is going to continue in that quasi-semicircle that I was pointing to. Now for storms in other areas, let's go to Vivian.
Okay, thanks, Dr. Forbes. And another thing that Dr. Forbes did not mention is lightning. Certainly dangerous lightning strikes are very evident here in Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. So be on the lookout for the dangerous lightning strikes as well. Let's show you the national radar picture.